Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get my AI on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to get my AI on your Snapchat, this is the only way. You just have to try to update your Snapchat app. So the very first I recommend you have to check your network setting that you have a strongest and stable network connection. Then open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find an connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here, open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to go for search for Snapchat here, and you have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply open your app and you'll get my AI into your chat section. So here you'll get my AI's chat here. If you can't find it here, so you have to make a setting. You have to tap on your profile option in the bottom left in the top left corner here. Then tap on settings with the gear icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for the support and feedback section. Select help center here. Then here tap on search. You have to simply search for my AI. Just search for this and just wait for this until it's loading. And here just scroll down and you will get an option of how do I access my AI on Snapchat. Simply tap on that, and here Snapchat will tell you how can you access your my AI. Here you can see you can find my AI on your chat screen. Swipe right from the camera screen to open the chat screen and try it again. If you find this not helpful, tap on this no option here, and then select any feedback from here. Then tap on submit, and your feedback will be submitted. And after that, it might be that the issue will be fixed from Snapchat Sport. If you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that my AI is not available in your country or region. So you have two ways. The very first way is that you have to use VPN and connect to the country or the region in which my AI is available. Or the second way is that you have to wait for until Snapchat make an update into your own country or region to get or to use my AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.